Oh, hello, little kitty. Aw, you're so cute. Aw, what are you? Ah, ah, ah! Ow! I'm gonna see what A is doing. Hey, I. Hi, A. How is your. Uh, uh, ah, ah, uh, Gesundheit, A. Uh, Thanks, I don't know what's making me sneeze. Uh, uh, ah! Chill! Whoa! Hey, are you okay, hey? Yes, I'm okay. Are you sick, hey? You've been sneezing a lot. I am not sick, I'm just, I, 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 I'm not sick. Uh, I don't know why I'm sneezing, but I'm not sick. I am not sick, okay? Okay. I'm not sick. I'm perfectly, ah, ah, ah. Oh, I guess I stopped sneezing. I'm not sneezing anymore. Ah! Mom, I'm not sick. I don't want to wear this funny hat either. Hey, you need to stay in bed so you can get better. I'll cook you up some warm soup. Okay, Mom. Oh, I hate being sick. This is so boring. I want to go play with E. He has a new video game. Ah. Hi, A. I heard you were sick. Yeah, I am. Why? Whoa. So I got you some apples. Apples? I don't want apples. I want candy and chocolates and stuff. No, A, this is good for you. I don't want to eat that thing. It's boring. Come on. It's it's juicy and it's red like you. Oh, do I really have to eat this? Why? Yeah, A. It'll make you big and strong. Fine. Oh, oh, oh. I guess it's sweet. Oh, oh, oh. See? I told you it was good. Yeah. Oh, I want to play. Achoo! I want to play with it. I don't feel so good. Hey, your soup is ready. It's gonna make you feel better. Mom, I don't want my soup. Hey, it's going to make you feel better. Oh. Okay, A, here's your soup. Mom, I don't want soup. I want candy. Hey, you can't have candy when you're sick. Hey, you need to have your soup. It'll make you feel better. I don't want soup. I don't want it. And I'm not taking my medicine either. I guess you're gonna be sick forever. Fine by me. Really, eh? Now your snot is all over the soup. Well, I didn't want the soup anyways. Here, you can have it. Oh, ew. Oh my god. What is making me sneeze? How did I get this cold? Wait a minute. Wait, it was that cat. Maybe that cat was making me sneeze. Oh no, hey, your sneezing's getting worse. We gotta go take you to the doctor. The doctor? I don't want to go to the doctor. No! Hey, get back here. No! She won't find me in my closet. I am! Hey! He must be in the closet. Okay, A. Enough of your shenanigans. Let's go to the doctor. I don't want to go to the doctor, Mom. I am scared. A. The doctor won't hurt you. You'll be fine. Let's just go. Okay, Jill. Gesundheit. Gesundheit, 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 Gesundheit. Mom, do we have to go to the doctor? Yeah, you're sick. Oh, man. How are you feeling, I'm not sneezing anymore. Wow, I feel so much better. See, the doctor is not going to hurt you. Now let's go home, okay? What a beautiful day. Oh, it's a puppy. Hi, puppy. Ooh, I love dogs. Ah, 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 ah! Chow! Ah! Chew!